So for all of my girlies that are into doing your nails, this video is for you. Today we're going to be taking a look at some summer nail inspired nail art designs, different looks that you can try out this season. So two big trends I am definitely noticing for this summer, one of which includes just ocean inspired nails. So we're seeing a lot of blues, we're seeing a lot of accents. So one thing I noticed is that girls are taking little like jewel pieces, shell elements, and actually adding them to the nails. So that mermaid influence, the she shells are really just showing up in the nail art design. And I think that that's really cool. It's definitely something different. When I was putting this video together, I noticed some designs that I've never seen before. We're also seeing a lot of multicolored nails. We are definitely taking the colors and doing a different design, one on each nail. And pastels have always been a huge trend for the summer, spring season. But this year, with the infusion of just the chrome and everything, we're adding a lot of variety. And once again, the jeweled accents are going to be huge. So here we have someone showing off this gorgeous blue chrome look. Like I said, definitely inspired by the ocean. And then we have someone doing like the cat eye aesthetic. So here she is adding in some little jewel accents. Like I said, that's going to be a huge one. We're seeing a lot of floral accents in particular for that particular trend. So here we have someone doing some new nails, accenting it with a floral piece and some gold. These nails look really elegant and lush. So beautiful. Next up, we play around with color. So she does some hot pink and some orange here for this color combo. I really love the way that this looks. Gorgeous color combination here. And then here we have someone doing some purple nails. Now, I like the fact that these nails look like they're chrome, even though technically they're not. They are absolutely beautiful. And then she does add the accents there. And I'm going to link a couple of these in the YouTube, store or whatever it is that they have going on, where you can like link some items. You can find all of these little like jewel accents on Amazon. Super cute to just play around with this summer. So here we have someone doing like that ombre aesthetic. Another thing that I've noticed is that with that pastel color trend that I was talking about earlier, we're seeing that a lot infused in like the French tips, and once again doing a different shade on each nail. So she does have some accents going here. I mean, can nails get any more glamorous? So here we have someone doing that shell trend. This is absolutely beautiful. You can see she's got the mermaid scales going, the shell, like it's just so pretty. Then she even has some fruit. Gorgeous. The shells are definitely my favorite. So here's another way that you can incorporate that shell feel. She has like some smaller accents that she's adding here to the nails. And then we kind of have like a 90s inspired look here. This just to me, like the color combo just screams 90s. Gorgeous, so pretty, especially with the hot pink next to it, like that aesthetic. And then we have another look at the shell nail trend. So pretty. I love the ocean vibe. Followed by someone who does a nude nail here and then once again accents it with some bright colors. So I think in general this summer we're just seeing a lot of ways that you can just have fun with your nails. You know, step outside of your comfort zone, do something different. Don't be afraid to try something new. I mean, it's just nails, you know, you can change them if you don't like them. But I'm loving all of the bright colors, the pastels, and the ocean inspired looks that we are seeing this season. Let me know if you're going to try any of these trends in the comments below, and I will talk to you guys in the next video.